Here it is, you guys. Haven't done a video on that. It's my new truck, Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Super stoked to make some videos on that. Alright, you guys are going to see this video after the introduction of this build to the channel. So you guys have already seen this. I don't know where to start with this video. We recently tuned it, blew the rear transmission seal, and blew off the blow-off valve. It's right there. I got a new clip for it with the O-ring. I got to get this on there, and I have to drain the transmission, put in the new rear seal, which I don't even know where I put it, and also replace the U-joints on the drive shaft. So this is going to be a little bit of work on this guy. So we're going to go ahead and start with draining the transmission fluid. I'm kind of interested to see if it's already like has a lot of metal in it or not, because this thing is currently tuned at 19 pounds on Meth Injection. It is 4G63 swap, but let's go ahead and drain the fluid, remove the drive shaft, and replace the rear seal, replace the U-joints, put it back together and fill it up. And then in here I have to, at the top of the transmission, I think I just removed the boot, and I got to put some silicone at the top because it's leaking at the top of the transmission. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started. Well, there's a little bit of metal in there, but it's not too bad. But definitely is some. I used a, what size socket was that? A 15/16 socket to remove the drain plug. So now it's draining out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get to the back and unbolt the freaking drive shaft from the rear diff. I think that's where I gotta go. Okay, so it's a 12 and 14, so 12 here, 14 on the other side. Gotta get these guys all off. Alright, I think my buddy that put this car together is a damn baby Hulk. To get this loose, I have to hit it with the hammer to slowly break it loose on the backside until it starts spinning. And then you put this guy right there, and now it's good. But damn, this was definitely on there tight. So I'll show you guys a couple of these. Also, the e-brake is on. I'll do another one or two, and then I'm gonna hurry up and get these off. But that's how I had to do it, and I will show you guys in the next clip on how I did it. Hopefully you guys can, oh, there it goes. Okay, there goes that. I might try to replace the U-joints right here, but it's down. Now let's go pull it out of the transmission side. Okay, it's already started to get pulled out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling this out. And there it is. Let's slide back. It's gonna ooze out a little bit on me. But there it is, guys. I guess I could just slide out the drive shaft. But that seal is right here, which honestly doesn't even look too bad. So let me get the new seal, brake clean this little area, and keep it going. Alright, not sure if you guys were really able to see that, but here is the new one. Should have grabbed a towel. I'm gonna grab a towel and kind of wipe it up in here and then push this guy in. Maybe use a 32mm socket to flush it down. So that's what I'm thinking. But let me grab a towel so I can wipe it up in here and then I'll tap that in. Well, I kind of failed on that. I smashed it. So, gotta order a new one. Here's the old one. But dang it. I'll get a better technique and let you guys know. Anyways, let's move on to the U-joints. I've never replaced one of these before. So I am winging it. I don't even know where to start. I bought these snap ring pliers from Amazon. And yeah, let's go ahead and try to get this done now. Okay, that was easy. More Sentra. She gone.